Hello everybody, this is Bill, the old man in the van. And we made a few changes here, so let's walk out here to the van. I'm trying a different camera again, see if it'll straighten out any from what I have had. Okay, we're in the van. Alright. One addition. We put up a 16-inch TV set in here, and we took the other one that I had. I had a 19 in here, and it was way too big. I put the 16. Actually, it's 15.6 inches. They call it a 16-inch, but it has a DVD player built into it on the side. I don't know if you can see it there. It's got DVD, it's got USB, and you use it as a TV monitor as well. USB, it's got an SD card slot, so it's kind of a universal thing. And I've just got a little antenna, if you can see it right there. It just is a magnetic antenna sitting up there on the side. I'm getting about 18 channels right now with it. This thing won't want to seem to focus. There we go, finally snapped in. Okay, the other thing was we got the MT50 monitor for my solar controller, and I like it. It tells you everything. It's illuminated, but you can even see it fine without the illumination, and I don't have to struggle to see what I was seeing with the other one down there, because as soon as you turn that LCD on down there on that thing, it goes absolutely crazy. So we put a TV in here, we put the MT50 remote head up there, and that's about it right now. We're slowly changing things around, trying to get ready. Hopefully I can get out of here in October, head back west again by then, and see if we can find any of the old group. It's kind of warm today. I think it's supposed to be 89 degrees or something like that, so I got the little USB fan running here. And I could probably turn this one on too, as far as that goes. But it makes too doggone much noise. I can turn that on. And then I got the fantastic fan turned on low, which is drawing the hot air out, and the fan is kind of circulating the cold air in. So it makes it halfway comfortable in here. I haven't brought my thermometer back out here yet, so I can't really tell you what the exact temperature is, but eventually we'll get it all in here. Water jug, my little heater, and that's about it, I think, for this go around. I sure made a mess out of my bed over there. Have to straighten that out. But you can get a little more look at what the van looks like. It's not that big of a space in here. This is the short van. It's a Dodge 2000, but it's a conversion van, and it's a short one. It's not the standard long wheelbase. It's got the short wheelbase on it, so there's not a whole lot of room, but I made it out there, the RTR and the thing, and it was fairly comfortable. It drives nice, it rides nice, and the bed slept good, so that's the main thing. made a comment earlier. I think some of the tags, some of the Camper Van Kevin and Adventure Van Man sticker and Nomadic Fanatic. His sticker was on there, which I have more or less met everybody except for the Adventure Van Man. He's the only one I haven't met. I sent him off the money, and he sent me back the stickers. But all in all, I guess it's it'll work out sometime or another. So hoping to keep you up to date with any more changes I make in the van. So I'll say 7-3s or say goodbye for now, and look for you on the next modification that I make to the van. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.